to our channel On Deck with CB. My name is Debbie and I'll be your host for today. And I want to welcome you to our channel first off. And I want to tell you that this is actually our very first episode of Cruise Smarter and Not Harder. And you know what? If there's anything that makes our life easier as cruisers, I'm all in for it. Now, normally, this is how I rock, on a cruise, toiletry bags. A lot of times we end up actually taking the smallest piece of the luggage and the smallest suitcase and just dumping everything in there the morning of, because we can't fit it in our luggage. And I was like, you know what, there's gotta be a better way to do this. So I heard Alana from Lifewell Cruise, and she was always talking about toiletry bags. And I was like, you know what, let me check it out and see if it's, what the hype is all about. So I actually went into Amazon and I purchased this toiletry bag. It's called the Bagsmart Toiletry Bag, travel bag with hanging hook. It is water resistant. You can put your makeup in here. You can put your toiletries in here and organize them. And you know what? One of them is actually big enough for my husband's stuff and my stuff, but I still went on ahead and purchased two of them. I got a yellow one for my stuff and a black one for my husband's, for Adam's stuff. But today, I'm actually only going to use one so that you can see how I can fit all of these items into it. And you know what? I even realized that I was overpacking. Like, I was putting stuff in these bags that I really honestly don't need or use at all. So this is called, once again, the Bagsmart Toiletry Bag, and I'm going to put the link in the description down below. And it comes in 6 different colors, really cool colors. Like I said, it's water resistant, so you can wipe it down if you want to clean it up and stuff. There's a large and there's a medium. The difference is 1/2 inch in length and in width. The medium is 1/2 inch smaller than the large one. And it has really cool 4 compartments. And it's so cool because you can see everything that's in it. And you know how you start placing like everything, at least I do, whenever I get to my cabin and I start unpacking, I just place every item, or different items on the shelves, on the floating shelves. With this, it is so cool because I can just hang it up on the hook, on the door, and that's it. I can have clean counter space. My cabin steward doesn't have to wrestle with my stuff, or I don't have to rush to take everything off the counter every morning, because I do like for them to go ahead and wipe down my counter. So it makes my life easier and it makes their life definitely easier. So it has 4 compartments, like I said, and this middle one is really cool because it's got zippers. I'm sorry. It's really cool because it has a zipper on the top and on the bottom, so it's easily accessible from both sides. So what I'm going to do now is basically demonstrate how all of these bags fit into this one bag. And you'll see how I realize that some of the stuff I don't even need. Let's do this. These right here I purchased from the Dollar Tree, and I actually went on ahead and with a label maker I put what it is over here so I won't get confused between lotion and conditioner. So okay, so let's put, let's go on ahead and put my lotion up first, because that way I can put them in the middle compartment and it fits nicely. Like, it's so super cool that you can actually see what you're placing in there, as opposed to having to go, oh, let me see what's in where. Okay, no, it's definitely, it's very unorganized this way, very unorganized, and it actually looks kind of tacky. So let's continue packing. More lotions over here. I'm big on lotions, guys, very big on lotions. Oh, and it's not only good for cruising, like I said, you can use it for traveling anywhere. And the neat thing about it is that if you have a double set of everything, you really don't even have to unpack it. Just leave it there Unpack what you have to, and what you don't. You don't. Very important, especially in a cruise cabin. I don't want to be stuck like that. What I'm going to do is, actually I don't even need 3 toothpastes, but I have 3 toothpastes. Because with this mess, you really don't know what you have and what you don't have. So what you keep on doing is basically just throwing more and more things in there. And next thing you know, it's a hot mess express, like I had. Okay, so I'm going to put the first aid kit down here. It's not really a first aid kit, it's just things that come in handy, Dramamine if you don't feel good. I'm not even taking this because I'm actually going to buy some pills together. Buy some stomach antacid pills. You have your triple antibiotic. They have some more Band-Aids. All of my first aid stuff is in here. Some more Dramamine, just in case. Not that I think I'll need it. Some more triple antibiotic. This is extra stuff, not needed. Had double of everything. So I close this up. And now, last but not least, let's put our perfumes. And a little bit of makeup that I wear. Just like that. I put 4 bags into one toiletry bag, looking nice, sleek, and sexy. Okay. Now you guys were wondering, is it going to close with all that stuff in it? Let's see. By the way, it has a double zipper on both sides. Oh guys, look at that. Just like that. 4 bags into one large toiletry bag. And it has a side pocket for easy accessible stuff. So, right now, it is 13% off on Amazon. So the price is $31.99 and they are selling it for $27.99. Like I said, it's going to be in the description down below. I'm going to place the link. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful or informative in any way, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. We all need a toiletry bag, right? Because we all travel everywhere. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can stay tuned or be in the know for the next episode that'll come out next week. And you know what? Subscribe to the channel if you're interested. If you're interested in cruising and any item that has to do with cruising or traveling, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. It helps us tremendously. It really does a lot for us. And you know what? Leave a comment down below. Do you own one of these? Or do you own any toiletry bag? And has it worked for you? Or have you had to purchase more? Do you find yourself actually packing more than what you need just because now you have a toiletry bag? Leave a comment down below. Remember, the link for the item is in the description down below. I'll pin it for you guys to go and check it out on Amazon. Bye for now.